Okay, what's up guys? Marky Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. So for today I'm going to show you some Highlife improvisation. You're going to improvise when you're playing your 1-4-5 chord progression. Okay, as simple as a Highlife chord might be. Mainly, I'm doing this video mainly for beginners who are struggling to play chords. So I believe with this kind of lesson, you should be able to know how to hold your chord and improvise, okay, and on an easy way. So if it's the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay. So guys, this is the key of F. I'm gonna do it in the key of F. Okay. Okay. Also play this other song here. Okay. Okay. So the first one, what I was playing there is so I'm playing from the mi re mi do re mi re do va. Okay. No, you can easily play do re mi re do mi va. Play your saw. Or you can also play this other saw here. Okay, so what I'm playing there is just the do, re, mi, re, do. So I showed you how to play your double string in my previous video. So if you have not watched, okay, you should go and watch how to play your double string so you'll be able to understand that, okay. So the second one I play was so I'm playing do, so, okay, play do, so, okay, do, so, re, la. So I pull on to the mi, re, va, mi, re, va, okay, but I do a kind of a pull on, okay, okay, do, so, re, va, re, do. Now I play my la, da, that's your la to your flat 7, which is a da, okay. We play da, re, mi, fa on the 4th string, re, mi, fa, I hold my fa chord, okay. Then go to the saw, okay. Saw, you play your deep saw, deep saw, then you strike it, okay. So the third one I play there is I played, you can pick the notes of the chords, okay, like a kind of sequence, one after the other. I play something like what I played there was I played from so, this other deep saw here. So, mi, do, okay, so, mi, do, so, la, do, okay, so, do, mi, do, do, la, do. I play va, re, la, do, ti, okay. It's as very simple as that. So you should be able to understand that, okay, and see how you can improvise it in your songs and in your highlife improvisation, okay. So wherever you don't understand, you can hit me up on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.